So next we'll install our string trees. Now string trees are these small items you'll see in your packaging just here. There's a little top, a little metal barrel and a screw. And as I was saying before, when you're opening the packet that your tuners come in, you'll find two slightly longer screws, and that's what these are for. And as you can see, one's just a little longer than the other. So string trees generally serve the purpose of increasing the break angle on the strings, and that gives you more stability with the strings across the nut. So it stops the strings rattling around inside the nut. And obviously, you know, we've got a very shallow nut slot for our high E string as well, so that keeps that in place. It also is thought to increase sustain just because there's more downward pressure on the nut. Now, you'll notice you'll have two separate barrel sizes. So the higher barrel is for the for the D and G strings, and the smaller barrel is for the E and B strings. So they essentially sit much like that. You can have them where you like, but I generally line the E and B string up with the tuner for the A string and the second one just between the first two tuners. So from there, generally just mark the hole, try and get it straight. And obviously this is why I had the strings on the guitar as well, so we can line these up. So from there I would loosen off those strings just so they don't get in the way.